7 seconds. That's all recruiters spend reviewing your resume before deciding if you're worth a callback. And if you've ever stared at a blank Word doc trying to describe your job in a way that sounds impressive but not fake, you know how hard resume writing actually is. That's why so many people are turning to ChatGPT for help. You give it a prompt, it gives you polished sentences, and suddenly your experience sounds, well, professional. But here's the problem. ChatGPT doesn't know you. It doesn't know what projects you've actually worked on or what makes your career story unique. You're rebuilding context from zero every time. So here are 10 effective ChatGPT prompts used by top candidates to create their resumes. Also, if sharing all your details from scratch sounds like a ton of work, we'll introduce you to ClickUp, the world's first converged workspace. Within ClickUp Brain acts as your context-aware AI assistant and also gives you access to top AI models like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Let's start with the ChatGPT prompts for resume writing first, because the better your prompt, the better your resume. We'll begin with the work experience. Try this. Summarize my experience as a project manager at Tech Solutions, focusing on team leadership and process improvement. Notice how it highlights the company and the specific skills you want to emphasize. That's what gets you tailored results. Or go deeper with measurable wins. For example, describe my role at Brightside Marketing as a digital strategist, highlighting my contributions to social media engagement and lead generation. I increased LinkedIn conversions by 50% and generated $300,000 in qualified leads. Now you're giving ChatGPT real numbers to work with. Next up is skills. This is where most resumes tend to fall short. Don't just list Excel, Python, teamwork. Show how those skills apply to the role you want. Here's a prompt for example. Summarize my skills as a job title, focusing on key competencies or software. You're not just naming tools, you're framing your expertise. Or try, highlight my expertise in a field or skilled area suitable for a job title. This tells ChatGPT exactly what matters in your industry. Now let's talk about objective statements. Many people skip this, but if you're changing careers or moving into a new industry, this is your chance to explain why you're the right fit. Use a prompt like, write a career objective for a customer support specialist transitioning into digital marketing. This immediately tells the reader what you've been doing and what you'd like to become. Or craft an objective statement for a current role looking to move into a targeted role. Here's where it gets interesting with achievements. This is what separates average resumes from great ones. Anyone can say they managed a team, but did you increase productivity, cut costs, launch something that went viral? So try a prompt like, highlight major accomplishments in my role as a job title at company, particularly focusing on key results. Now you're not just describing a job, you're proving an impact. Or go niche. For example, list achievements in specific area of expertise that contributed to outcome. Specific, measurable, impressive. The last category is education and volunteer experience. Use a prompt like, describe key academic achievements from my degree program, especially those related to career goal or industry. This connects your education to the job you want. If you've done volunteering, then use this. Describe my role as a volunteer to job title, highlighting my contributions in specific areas. Now, before you start throwing prompts at ChatGPT, let's look at a few best practices for using ChatGPT. First, be specific. The more context you provide, the less generic the output becomes. Don't just say project manager. Say project manager in fintech who led a team of 8 through a system migration. Details matter. Second, always edit for your voice. ChatGPT can give you structure, but it doesn't sound like you. Read it out loud. Does it feel authentic? If not, tweak it. Your resume should sound like you wrote it, not an AI. Third, include keywords for the role you want. If the job description mentions cross-functional collaboration 5 times, make sure that phrase shows up in your resume. Applicant tracking systems scan for this stuff. So, there you have it. But here's where it gets tricky. Every time you open ChatGPT, you have to manually type everything, each and every time. Imagine if the AI you're using already knew about you and your work. That's exactly what ClickUp Brain does. The built-in AI assistant is contextual. It doesn't live in isolation like ChatGPT, but is connected to your entire workspace. It pulls data from your achieved goals, your project timelines, and success metrics. And because ClickUp Brain taps into multiple AI models, you're not stuck with one style or one voice. It adapts. It gives you smarter, more tailored suggestions that fit the role you're applying for. No cookie-cutter templates. Here's the best part. Once your resume is ready, you can use ClickUp's job search template to track every application. Where you applied, when you applied, interview dates, and follow-ups, everything in one place. Landing a job isn't just about having a good resume. It's about staying organized, following up, and showing up prepared. And ClickUp helps you do all of that without the chaos. So if you're serious about your job search, stop copying and pasting between disconnected tools. Try ClickUp for free today and see how much faster you can move when everything's in one place.